Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming power and firmware so pairing is smooth. Charge controllers to at least 15% and update the console. This avoids unexpected disconnects. Once done, decide wired versus wireless. Connect a Pro controller with USB-C for instant recognition, or keep Joy-Con detached for Bluetooth pairing. You will also open controller settings to forget prior pairings if needed. Make sure to have both controllers physically separate before you start the console pairings. You now pair controllers one by one to avoid conflicts. First, open controllers change grip/order on the switch. The screen waits for input. Next, sync the first controller. Press its sync button or connect via cable. It registers as player 1. Once registered, release it and then repeat for the second controller, assigning it to player 2. This explicit sequence ensures the console maps inputs correctly and prevents both controllers from mirroring the same player slot. Finish by calibrating and testing each controller so inputs are reliable in-game. You should go to controller settings and run stick calibration, plus test every button. Once calibrated, check rumble and sensitivity per controller. Make adjustments so each feels distinct. If a controller fails to pair, power cycle the switch, fully charge the controller, and remove previous pairings before retrying. As a key troubleshooting tip, try a wired connection. If wired pairing works, delete wireless pairings and repair over Bluetooth to resolve persistent failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.